Eat the Frog, Logical versus Creative Days, and the Stream of Consciousness. I guarantee you that if you do at least one of these things, you're going to see an increase in your productivity. Eat the Frog, which means to do the hardest task on your to-do list at the start of your day. This could be working out, going for a run, doing your homework, whatever the hardest thing is for you. But by getting it out of the way, first thing in the morning, you're going to feel more accomplished and motivated to tackle the rest of the day. Now let's drink a glass of agua and get started. Determine whether today is a logical or creative day. The left side of your brain is your logical side. The right side of your brain is your creative side. Naturally, some days are going to be set up to be more creative or more logical than others. So it's important to lean into that. Splitting these two up into different days is essential to increasing your productivity. Before, I was trying to do everything at once. And as a creative person, I like to do a lot of things, but it's important to do one thing at a time. One thing that's going to push the needle forward and move you closer to your goals. So get one thing done today, whether it's a creative or a logical task. Now, if you end up doing both logical and creative tasks during your day, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a great way to get things done, but it's not sustainable over a long period of time, and you're gonna burn out. We're only human. Sometimes we burn out, and then we start falling into the rabbit hole, or what I like to call the rut. But you want to know one of the best ways to get out of the rut? Stream of consciousness is when you take out a notebook, a pen or pencil, set a timer for 10, 15, or 20 minutes, and you write. You can write whatever's on your mind. Continuous writing. It's very important not to stop until you hear that timer go off. The goal of this exercise isn't to make sense. It's to get whatever is going on up here onto the paper. This is a great way that I journal my thoughts. If you get stuck and don't know what to write, I don't know what to write. Listen to your thoughts and trust your instincts and write them down. I learned this from acting school, but I also saw a great video made by Tozok Filming about this exact concept, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Let me know if this information was helpful, or if it wasn't. But either way, thank you for watching.